Hey y'all, it's T Marie. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but continue watching to see me go from this to this with Mhot clip-in extensions. Let's get to it. Let's start unboxing our clip-in extensions from Mhot. So within the package, it does come with a test sample so that way you can look and make sure that the color matches your hair color, a cute little ponytail or a scrunchie, and then our clip-in hair extensions. So let's take a look. So I have one bundle of clip-in hair extensions in 18 inches. This is high quality Remy hair, which means it's super soft, no tangling, and absolutely no shedding. I love how slim the band is and how super lightweight and seamless these extensions are. The first thing that I want to do is take the test clip-in and put it against my natural hair to make sure that it matches. And it's a pretty good match, so I'm super excited. So now let's get into how to install and wear our clip-ins. I'm gonna start with flat ironing all of my clip-in extensions so that way they're bone straight and ready to be applied. One thing that I noticed with these clip-ins is the bundles are so thick and I love it. And I forgot to mention that this balayage set of clip-ins came with 10 total pieces. So there's more than enough pieces to use clip-ins over your entire head in multiple hairstyles. I'm gonna start by parting my hair in the area that I want to install my first clip-in. The clip-in that I decided to use is the one with 2 clips, so it's one of the shorter ones, and I'm going to install this clip into the back. Once our first clip-in is secured, we've successfully completed the first part. So now we're gonna go ahead and repeat this process throughout the whole head, and you'll kind of just touch and feel on where you want your clip-ins to go and what kind of look that you're going for. As I continue installing the clip-ins and I'm going up to like the middle part of my head, I'm going to start using the longer clip-ins. So I'm going to start using the clips that have 3 clips and 4 clips. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me install the rest of these clip-ins, and then I'll come back and talk about how to blend your clip-in extensions with your natural hair. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. No, really, subscribe. So I was trying to decide if I wanted to do a side part or a middle part, and I think I'm gonna go with the side part. I mean, there's just something about a side part that I love. These clip-ins were so easy to install. I love how just very natural they look, and it's a time saver. It took me about 20 minutes to install 10 pieces of clip-ins, okay? So if you need a quick hairstyle, like this is going to be your go-to hairstyle. I love how when I run my hands over my head, it's so flat and seamless. When I say I cannot feel the clip-ins, sis, I cannot feel the clip-ins, and I love it. So I'm just going in with my flat iron to straighten out my roots right around the part. This is going to be perfect for blending your clip-ins. So this is how it looks with it bone straight. I actually really like it this way. I love how the color just goes with my hair. I love the versatility. I love how seamless it is, how quick it is to install, and mind you, how affordable these clip-ins are, okay? I'm gonna leave all of the information in the description box below. Styling is absolutely my favorite part of my YouTube videos. So I know you're probably gonna ask me, why do I have a ponytail on this section? This is a personal preference of mine. I like to curl the front part near my face last because I feel like sometimes the curls fall, if that makes any sense. Continue watching to see me curl and blend my clip-ins. It's gonna look so pretty and just so full of just body and volume and just like I can't even think of the word. Like, you'll see. Just keep watching. I finished curling my hair and look at this blending. So cute. Love these curls. I'm gonna go in with my edge control and I'm gonna lay my edges down, do a little swoop or whatever, make it look all, you know, all cute. And this is not it, okay? I'm gonna curl up these curls and it's just gonna do something. And you're gonna love it. It's gonna be so cute. Okay, here we go. We're gonna comb it out. It's the test. This is the part that I love. This is key for blending, okay? Key for blending your clip-in extensions with your hair. So cute. Love the end result. I hope you guys like it too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you, Mhot, for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to get these hair extensions, the link is in the description box. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.